How to use content to build a massive audience for your brand. The internet is all about content. We go online to look for information for all sorts of things. We search for products, services, ideas, information, etc. online. But what does this mean for your business? In today's presentation, you're going to find out how you can use content to build a massive audience for your brand. The first thing you need to do is identify what you bring to the table. There are two ways you can go about this. You can either create content on topics you're passionate about, or you can narrow down your target audience and focus on what they want. The downside to working on something you're passionate about is that not too many people may share your passions with you. So, even if you publish tons of content, if not enough people are interested in it, then you could be wasting your time. The best thing for you to do then would be to find an intersection between your interests and other people's pain points. This way you can continue producing your content while making sure you have a good number of people interested in what you have to offer. Knowing who your audience is obviously important. Create a persona of your ideal audience. When you create your content, put this persona front and center and don't lose sight of who this person is. This helps to ensure you can draw your ideal prospects in and keep them interested in your content. Promoting your content will come next. It's the marketing part of content marketing. Experts recommend that 20% of your time be spent on content marketing, while the remaining 80% should be spent promoting it. You can't just publish tons and tons of content and then expect people to visit your website. Sure, this may happen when your site's more established, but if you're just beginning, then you need to go out there and promote your content. Know where your target audience is hanging out. If they're on social media, make your content readily available to them. If they're on forums, make your content easy for them to find. Master this content marketing formula of putting the right content in front of the right audience, and your strategy will be a smashing success.